So I'm going to be talking about social value. If you are a person who do crypto stuff or anything like update, you will know about social value. Social value has changed so many people life. This early this year, January, social value launched their season one. They are doing their second project, which is season two. They changed many people life. I also received from social value. I received $150 from social value, which I did not even work well with it. But they disqualify so many people at this season why because many people do not take it serious. They don't expect that this update is going to really like it's going to pay them. So me too, I not take it serious to be sincere. So but I still see like 100 of dollars from it. So they are doing season two right now, and they said they will be launching first quarter of next year, which is January, February, or March. So if you are just seeing this video right now, you are not too late to start. You just have to start right now. The thing we are going to do in this video, like in the app, is not like it will not take your time. Just for you to just claim daily, and you can but you just have to just claim daily. That is all. So the first thing you just have to do is to I'm going to drop the link in the description box. So you are going to download the app. When you download the app, when you download the app, I will advise you to use your Google, like your Google to sign up. But if you think you want to use your email and you set up a password, you can also do that. But the best way is to use your Google. But if you don't know your Google passwords, please do not use it. Use your Google, like the Google you know you use where. Do not use the one you will not remember the password maybe when you have an issue with it. So the first thing you just have to do is come to this last place here, this last place. Click on it. When you click on it, it's going to bring you to this icon here. This icon at our So the first thing you just have to do is come to this bonus stars. I've done everything, I've claimed everything out today. Come to this bonus stars. You just have to you are going to link your um you're going to link your Twitter account, your Telegram account, and let me check, and your Instagram account. So what they just want to let you to do is for you to just to like their page, follow their page, and comment. Finish. So the first thing you just have to do is just to link. Let me show you where to link. This icon here, this three slash here. You click on it. I'm sorry. So when you click on it, you come to this icon where you see account settings. Click on account settings. You can see I've linked my Google. I sign up with my Google, so this is it. This is my name here, MIDI. So you can link your Telegram account. They have not started task of Telegram. That's why I've not linked my Telegram account. But you can link your own down. This is my Twitter account. I've linked it to, and to link your wallet, I'll be dropping a video about it. But if you're a person that would do crypto, I'm just going to explain. So I'm sure you're going to get it. So if you want to link your wallet through, like if you want to link your wallet, I will advise you to use either MetaMask, Biget, or any wallet that work in Nigeria, you know that work in Nigeria. Example, do not use OKX. OKX is not currently working in Nigeria. Nigeria users are using it, but you have to use VPN, as like it's so stressful. So I will advise you to use MetaMask. So for you to connect your wallet, you just have to go to MetaMask. Come to this. Let me explain. Let me search for MetaMask. MetaMask. You don't have to go to the browser there. There's a site which say browser. I hope it load fast. So this is it. This is where you are going to connect your wallet. You just click on this browser side, click on browser, then when you click on browser, you just write SOSO value. Just write SOSO value. So value. This is it. SOSOvalue.com. SOSOvalue.com, and this is what it's going to bring. Just this is what it's going to bring. It's just like Google. So you're just going to search it, and this is, I think, wait, sorry, my SOSO value. SOSO value. I don't know why my so that is about the wallet. So the next thing about this